Hello, this bit of an update with Dr. Sean O'Mara 30-day challenge. But I just living that lifestyle now, so I'm looking forward to losing some more weight. I've been under stress. I want to get rid of some of the stress, sort out a little bit with coffee, but processed food isn't food, and once you realise that whilst it's marketed as food, while it's convenient, while it's cheap, while it's the easiest thing, and let's face it, kids think it's pretty cool. Don't know why really, because you know they're gonna get that lad that's eating too much processed food, not gonna get the woman, you know, as much as if he was not eating it. But anyway, I gotta go to work, so I got kimchi, sauerkraut, and beef, grass-fed beef in here. I haven't even bothered to cook the beef. I'll just let it go into a ferment. I've got a cast iron garden. I don't have much time. I could, wherever I'm going to work now, I could have an esky with cool and cook the ground beef and whatever, you know, but I just don't. I'm just not concerned. I'm just going to eat this. I'll be right. And it's harder on the road, but it's not impossible. It's the thing. I don't know how much longer I'll be, you know, doing too much with the health. I've kind of felt like lobster mobility's starting to run its course, but it is possible, even though it's hard. 90% of the supermarket food is bullshit. It is possible. It's lifestyle. You're going to have to make a choice to make these things happen or not. If you want to be metabolically fit, you can. I hope you do. I hope you do make that choice. And when you do make the choice, you'll find that you will be able to make it happen, even if you've got shoestring budgets and all that. Take care. Be kind to yourself.